Hello guys, as you can see I'm just filming my laptop this time. It's not a screen recording because in this tutorial I have to sign out and sign in again and that would stop my recording software. So let's do it like this. What we're going to do today is I'm going to show you how to change, for example, your brother's or girlfriend's wallpaper without them really finding out or quickly finding out how to change it back again. So normally you go to personalize. And here you can change your background picture, you can browse, you can do whatever you want, and you can change it. But we're gonna do it in a different way. I already took a wallpaper for this. So there is a default wallpaper folder. It's C Windows Web Wallpaper. And I created a cute wallpaper, I'm gonna show you later, here. And I'm gonna copy the path to it, like this. So now I have the path of the wallpaper. Then I'm going to type edit group policy. So we're gonna fill in a group policy for the entire computer, and that means that all users will be affected, all not infected, but affected on this computer. So you have user configurations, administrative templates, click it open. You have desktop, click it open, another desktop. And here you see desktop wallpaper, not configured. So I'm gonna double click this, enable it and paste it here. This is the path to our cute wallpaper. And we're set it to center. You can choose fill, fit, span, stretch, tile, but center is good enough. So I'm gonna click OK. It's now enabled. But as you can see, nothing has really changed yet. But if I sign out, and your brother or girlfriend or your boss or your dumb colleague is going to sign in again, what do we see? A very cute wallpaper. But you'll say, I can change that back easily. So we'll go to personalize. And oh my God, I can't change it here. Some of these settings are hidden or managed by your organization. So by the time he finds out, he has to be in the group policy and change it back and edit it again. He'll be, the prank will be a success. So have a nice day and I hope you will enjoy this feature. Goodbye.